Hello everyone. Welcome back to my
Serve a
YouTube
tech
channel.
tip. In today's video, we have excellent tips for
We
you
will
guys.
explore the incredible world of image generation using AI. But if it's your first time, press the subscribe button for more upcoming and unique videos.
Before we begin, you'll need a few things to get started. First, you'll need a Microsoft account to access the image creation features. If you don't have one, you can easily create an account by visiting Microsoft.com. A Microsoft account will enable you to make the most of Bing.com's image generation capabilities. I recommend using Microsoft Edge as your web browser when using the AI image generator. Microsoft Edge seamlessly integrates with Bing.com, ensuring a smooth and optimized experience. Once you've successfully logged into your Microsoft account, it's time to access the Bing website creation page. There are two ways to do this. Type bing.com/create single quote directly into the search bar or quickly access it through the slide bar. Now, let's dive into the main interface of Bing.com's image creation page. You'll find various powerful tools and options that allow you to generate stunning images for your projects. From customizing backgrounds and layouts to adding text and graphics, Bing.com offers many creative possibilities. One of the standout features of Bing.com's image creation page is the extensive library of high-quality images at your disposal. Whether searching for specific visuals or seeking inspiration, Bing.com offers a vast collection that caters to various themes and styles. Let us create our images. First, you should follow the formula for how to write to get the excellent photos or cartoons you want. Then, here is a quick recipe for image creation. Write an image to be generated with 5 descriptive keywords about the photo: lighting, location, composition, style of photograph, type of film. For example, let's generate a cartoon girl with sunglasses. You see, our cartoon has the same specific feature as you want to create. Let's see another example. A fuzzy creature wearing sunglasses.